your eyes. First we'll do breathing for 1 minute, then we'll start, okay? Because this will involve breathing, so you'll make sure you don't stress yourself while breathing. Do it arams, okay? Close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Relax your body. Breathe in. Your lung is full of air. Now breathe out. Relax your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out as if all your anxiety stress is going out of your body. Your body is all relaxed. You're feeling all good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now take both of your hands up from side. Both the sides.
You can open your eyes and look at once. Look at once. Otherwise they will not. You can tell them and then just look at it once. She will be doing it. Yeah.
So Tai Chi will involve very slow movements. So as much slow you do, it will be more beneficial for your body, for your mind. Okay. So as if the bird is flying, it's your way.
Very slow movements. It is called slow meditation. Slowly. And energy. Feel the energy in the band. Feel the energy in the hand.
As slow as possible because you will feel energy in your arms.
Okay?
Slowly. Close your eyes and do it.
Now close your eyes and do it.
Breathing.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Now hand goes up, you breathe in. Hand goes down, you breathe out. Again.
And
very slow.
your hands can come a little down also. Yeah, little down. And then go up.
Like a bird.
Like a bird.
Flying in the sky. In the blue sky with all ease.
Feel the energy in the hands. Feel the energy in the hands. Feel the energy in the hands. Okay. Slow. 1 minute. Please put your hands down. Open your. Some people are doing it wrongly. Okay. For example, say the thing is, it is not that doing like this. Okay. People are doing like this. It is now she'll be doing it. See. This is your hands. Okay. Particularly back and out. See. This whole goes up and goes down. See, it is not that it is people are doing like this. No, not like this. The hand should go up and come down. And breathe out when it comes down. Breathe in when it goes up.